Hello everyone, this is a Dreamsnap speed build and this time I decided to make a very simple shot. It will work or not, we'll see. After the latest results of Farmers Market Dreamsnap, I realized that there is no point in wasting so much time and picking on every detail. Luckily, I got 4K, but so many really cool Dreamsnaps got so bad result. I'm shocked. What's going on with voting? Maybe because we submitted photos from the gallery and it had a bad effect on the result? Well, I want to check it out and try not to save to the gallery and submit the photo right away. The current challenge is Big Feels. It's an outfit challenge. I tried many outfit options, but there is a very poor choice of clothes for any emotion. I picked two sets, anger and sadness, but I like sadness more. To be honest, I don't like doing dream snaps in the house, but there are some items that are only used in the house that I would really like to use. So I want to make the simplest dream snap ever. I will not wait for Mickey Cloud, butterflies, fireflies, a bunch of characters and all at the same time. No, simple shot as fast as possible. Well, at least I will try. So I'm sadness and I want to use joy in my shot. And probably the only thing I will be waiting for is her animation with memory orb. I already know what pose I'm going to use. Of course, I would like more choice of facial emotions in camera mode, poses, sitting poses too. I hope they will add it soon. My idea is that Joy shows memory with Riley and I feel emotionally touched and sad. Let's start decorating. First, I will put some items and then I will see what and where to place. I hope they will change this. Otherwise, if you miss some memory, you have to start over. And it takes a long time. It would be better to open the memory section and choose which picture to put on the screen. I got the idea. What if I make childhood on the left and old age on the right side? And that's why I'm set. Of course, many objects won't fit into the frame, but at least something will indicate the young and old years. I'm almost finished decorating. Added memory orbs to the bubble and change the wallpaper. Now I will add some shine. I'm using buttons from event and glimmers. And the last that I want to do is bring a villager into the room so that Joy would do her animation more often. I like it when she holds the orb up, but I would like to catch this picture inside. And there you go! It was very fast. I'm happy with this photo. Submit, of course. don't forget to check. And yeah, this is my dream snap for this challenge. I think I did pretty well, and what's most important for me, it was simple and fast. Thanks for watching. Do you like my dream snap? Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and enjoy the game. Bye bye!